Hello guys, I am Kaushik. So guys, most of the YouTubers are not aware of how to replace the copyright claims on their videos of YouTube channels, and today we are gonna to discuss about that feature, or you can say that trick or hack. So first of all, we are going to open the YouTube Studio in browser. I have Chrome browser and I am opening it. So after opening YouTube Studio, you have to go to the videos option and all the videos will appear on your screen, and here you can see that this video, the third one, here restrictions copyright claim. Click on the copyright claim, see details, and this menu will pop up on your screen. Here you can see that the monetization is ineligible. You have only to do here actions and select action. Click on it. Here you can see trim out segment, replace song or mute song. So you can replace the song, simply just click on the replace song, and then YouTube will show you some songs are appearing on the screen, and you can select any of the song. So I'm gonna select the first one. Here we go. Here you can see the add option. Click on it and it will be added in your video, and just click on the save icon. The changes will be saved. Here save, and your video will be saved. Closing the tab, and it will be processed and the copyright claim will be removed from the video. You can see that there is no copyright restriction on this video now, and you can apply this trick on more of your videos which are copyright issues, which having copyright issues. And thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share this video. Stay home, stay safe.